Kayeng dor barman ta kasi palay arpoi tarik ujemang arhaja arpo gala Lyngngoh Halor ka Jubab umentri katana ka koi ka khia uba elhek ublong ba ka civil hospital Shillong kaladon ka jaka bantangi ki jaklia ne ki tiar ba penan kam ka hospital balatip kum ki incinerator uba SK sun MLA ka mauplang ulong bu artatin ba ka civil hospital kandon ki incinerator Hindra uba elhek ulayeng biang ban pintikana bakladon.
My question is, Mr. Speaker, so supplementary question. We are dealing with the dreaded disease right now. A few days back, we have seen the PPE and the other equipments which is used by the frontliners. They are dumping their used materials anywhere, where they might never have got a place even to dump also. So I would like to ask the Chief Minister, Minister, whether we are having any incinerator to destroy all the used materials during this fighting of this dreaded COVID-19.
So we have seen, we have been told also that PP have been thrown somewhere near the Saudi area. So the government has sent for the investigation, sir.
No, right now I'm not asking about the throwing. I'm talking about destroying them. How do we destroy? Because if we just throw it anywhere, because since it's a virus, it might spread nearby. So whether we are bringing that incinerator, because right now it is very much needed, not only of this PPA, but any material that is used in the hospital, which is biohazard to any of the neighboring household or maybe the neighboring colonies. So this
incinerator, part of the protocol which has to be followed, mandatory. So what is
the incinerator is the place for any kind of disposal. We have already done, sir. This is there, sir.
Then I think we have to take a strict measure, because whenever you go to any hospital nearby, you will still see dumping of all those used items actually from the hospital. So if that hospital is not sincere enough to follow the hygiene, I think that hospital superintendent should be taken into some consideration.
Some point notice.
Yes, Bahaso.
Yeah, since it's a matter relating to health, I really want also to take part a bit. The Honorable Minister stated that there is an incinerator for destroying these thrown away PPE. But as far as my knowledge goes, there is no incinerator in the whole of Shillong except Lyngngoh, sir. That Minister clarify this.
So we have incinerator in Shillong, and also the new incinerator are being procured in Turasa, and Johai, Shillong, and Johai, and Turasa, 3 places, 3 districts.
Can you clarify, sir, where in Shillong it is?
This is in Shillong Civil Hospital, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Please.
Yeah.
Basun is on.
Yeah. When was this installed in civil hospital, sir, may I know?
Sir, then that dates I don't remember at present, sir.
Just very recently, we were having a meeting of the Committee on Environment. The Director of Health and I was there, the Commissioner Secretary of Health were there. And we were informed even the incinerator that were installed by the Shillong Municipal Board were not functioning. And all these waste, biological waste, were collected by one organization from Maulai Baki and took it to Guwahati for disposal and treatment. And the only hospital in Shillong that have incinerator is Lyngngoh. But I'm surprised now to know that the civil hospital has incinerator. So I think we need to find it out the real facts.
So I already replied, we have there in Shillong Civil Hospital 1 incinerator, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we know that the government will buy this, by chance even if they buy also, it will buy the incinerator only to the government hospitals. What about the private hospitals? We've got lots of hospitals, private hospitals in Shillong. So I want the government to give an assurance that they will also direct to adhere to this particular requirement by this hospital.
So this is have made it mandatory that all hospital, whether it is the government hospital or it is a private hospital, it is mandatory to have the incinerator for to dispose it of all the waste materials.
Hadirin berlakut ke kinta jengkeli Menteri Rangba ukan rut kisang ma ulai yang berpensyai ni penbej baka civil hospital Shillong kampat dan ni kata ke Jakatang dan ni ke incinerator.